All right, today we're going to be completing page 210 of our Engineering Design and Graphics with SolidWorks 2016 workbook. And there's only 4 parts to do. And I'm going to do P311 and P314. I don't think P311 is very difficult, but it's missing some measurements, so I'll complete it so that you have a better idea. And also there's some measurements missing from P314. The other 2 are pretty straightforward. The measurements are there. So I think P314 is the most difficult one, but like I said, there's measurements missing off this, so we'll have to just eyeball some of the stuff. And just like this, there's no let's see, I guess we have enough here. We'll see. We have this distance and that distance. Okay, so we'll say this is symmetrical. This one's going to be pretty straightforward. I'm just going to create this profile, pull it across, and then go ahead and make this cut and put a hole through it all. And this one, same thing. This has some angles on it. I'm going to make a flat profile, drag it across, and I'm going to do cut extrudes on both sides across here. That should be pretty simple. So let's start with, I'm going to go to view here, and I'm going to increase this view for this first one, P311, which is in inches. And this is 2.5 by 3.5. So I'm going to start with a rectangle. I'm going to cut out this extrude cut here. I'm going to put the circle, cut that through all, and then I'm going to do this cut through here. So let's go ahead and get started. 2.5 by 3.5 rectangle. File, new, part, okay. We'll do the front plane, sketch, corner, smart dimension, 2.5 inches across. So we go 2.50 IN. You can see that I have this, it's in millimeters. I'll change that in a second. And then this is 3.5, 3.5 IN. And then we're going to extrude this to 4 inches. Dimensions, features, extrude boss base. 4 IN. There you go, we have this. I'm going to go to Tools, Options, Document Properties, Units, Inches, okay. And let's see, first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to do this 1 inch by ½ inch cut. So alright, so what we have here is we have this face, our front face. Alright, so I'm going to do a sketch on there, and I'm going to draw this across, and then smart dimension this. So this is 0.5 IN inches, and this is 1 IN for inches. And then I'm going to do a extruded cut through all, and green check mark. Oh, I see what it is. Hold on, I gotta pull this way. All right, so there we have this cut right here. Let's do this face. Let's do our sketch, circle, and this circle is, so this is 3.5, it's 1.5 and 1 inch over, and 1.5 inches up from the top. So let's go ahead and draw a circle right here. Let's smart dimension it from here to there. We want that to be 1.5 inches. 1.5 IN. And then we have 1 inch over. Click here. Click there. And that is 1 IN over. And then we're going to do a cut through all. Extrude cut. Through all. Hit OK. Oh shoot! Edit undo. I forgot to mention this correctly. So this is a diameter of 1.5. So smart dimension. Click. We want 1.5 IN. All right, now we're going to do our extrude cut. Features, extrude cut, through all. There we go. All right. So 1.5 diameter. All right, so that looks good. So the last thing we do is we just have to do this V cut here. So this is 4 inches. This is 2. So this is right in the middle. So we have a point right in the center, and we want it, and it's 1.5 above. So we're going to do a slant on this face across here, and then it's the same 0.5 on both sides. So here we go. I'm going to click on this face, sketch. I want to draw a line. It's going to be in the center. So let's go like this. And it's going to go from here to there. And then I'm going to go from here to there. And I'll draw a line from here to here. All right. So now we can smart dimension this. So let's take a look. So this is in the center already. So we have it at 2 inches, but this is supposed to be 1.5 from the bottom. So we click on here, and we click on here, and we want that to be 1.5 IN. All right. And then this is 0.5, and it's the same on the other side. So we're going to go from here to here. We want that to be 0.5 inches. And then we're going to do from here to there. And we want that to be 0.5 inches. All right, now all we're going to do is we go OK. We go extrude cut. And we want to go through all. That gets it all the way to the other side. We hit OK. And there you go. There is our part. All right, so let's take a look at that. Yeah, pretty simple, pretty straightforward. All right, so this is part 3-11. So we go File, Save As, part 3-11, and save. And then File, make drawing from part. Pick the first one, hit OK. All right, we have these different shapes. Like this one. Come down here, make it solid. Use custom 1-to-1. Move this up a little. Right there's fine. Use note. Change the font size, change the font style, make it bold. Write your name. Hit the green check mark, hit File, Save. Save OK. File. Print. Make sure you do it for OneNote for Windows 10. Hit OK. This blinks. Make sure it's in handouts. Hit OK. We're gonna part 311. Part P3-11. Right, that's done there. Then we come back up here. Then we're going to go on to our next one, which is figure P314. All right, so let's close this up. Save all. Close this up. Part new. Part OK. Let's take a look at this. Here, make this. Do that just like that. All right, so put this over here. So what do we got here? We got a distance up to this ledge of 15. We have a distance back and forth. Oh, there's a distance here of 7 across this way. So I think I might do a straight line across here and a straight line across here. And then, let's see, this is 8. This is difference of that. I think this is rectangular. I believe this is rectangular. This has an angle. This has an angle. This has an angle we're showing here. The other side over here appears to have an angle, and the side over here has an angle. And I believe they're all 30 degrees. But what we're doing here, I'm gonna start with this is 32. No, that's not 32. This is 50. Oh, this is 7. This is 32. This is 7. So let's see. It's 25. So this is 25 across here. So this is 25. So I think I'm going to start right here at this origin and draw a line that's out 25. Let's go ahead and do that. I'm going to draw this profile here. I'm going to extrude the whole thing across, and I'm going to cut pieces off of it in different ways. All right. So let's do right plane. Sketch. So 32 minus 7 is 25. So let's go ahead and draw a line across this way, and then draw a line up, and draw a line over, and make this at an angle, then put this up, and then make this at an angle, and then over, and then this is supposed to have an angle, and it appears I'm trying to look. I think this side's straight up and down. I think this piece and this piece are supposed to be straight up and down. I don't see any angles on the back side. All right, so let's go ahead and we'll check this out. This goes like this and straight down. All right, so we'll start with that, and then we'll see as we go with the smart dimensions if we have to change anything. Okay, so this is millimeters. This is 25 millimeters. From here to here is 32 millimeters. All right, from here to here is 50 millimeters. All right. From here to here is 8. Millimeters. That's 7 because it's there. From the bottom to the top, from the bottom, which is here, to the top, which is here, that's 45 millimeters. This from here to here is 15 millimeters. All right. From the bottom to here is 9, and from here to the top, from the bottom to the top is 15. So let's see. All right. From the bottom to here is 15 millimeters. And I'm going to zoom in. From the bottom to here is 9 millimeters. Bring this over more. All right, so let's see what we got here. All right, so I got this 15 to the top. All right, so this has an angle of 30 from here to there is 30 degrees. Well, that doesn't fit right. I gotta edit, undo that. Edit, undo. All right, let's do this one first. This from this flat line to there. Oh, sorry. From this flat line to there. What do we got here? All right, so let's edit, undo that. Cancel, edit, undo, edit, undo. All right, so let's take a look here. Let's do a center line, and we'll do a center line straight up. All right, now let's do a smart dimension from here to there, and that should be 30. So let's see, 30 degrees. Okay, that works. All right, so now we can do the 30 degrees off of here. There we go. 30 DEG. Hit OK. All right, so that's what we got. We got 30 degrees here, between here and here, and this comes out. We have 30 degrees. Doesn't appear to me proportionally the same shape as that. I think we have all our measurements in there. It looks pretty good. This is showing that this line is vertical. All right. Okay. Yeah, I think it's just because it's slanted sideways. So this line's vertical. Okay, we'll have a cut in that. All right. So we're gonna extrude this 80 millimeters now. Features, extrude boss base, and I'm gonna go that way. 80 millimeters right here. All right, so I have this. So I have this shape, and right here, see if that's the front plane. Front plane? Okay, good. All right, so I want to do a line that has a 30 degree angle. 30 degree angle. This is, I think it's just both sides, 30 degree angles. So we'll start on this side. We start at the bottom and move upwards. So I'm going to start with this face, and I'm going to do a line from our origin point to the top right there, and then I'm going to come this way, and I'm going to come down like that, and I want to smart dimension this. I want to smart dimension this angle between here and here. What is that? Oh, shoot. Alright, edit, undo. I want to smart dimension. Okay, I got smart dimension. This line and that line. And I want that to be 30 degrees. DEG. Now that's going to be 30 degrees. So here's our straight up and down line, and then our line going in there. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to feature, extrude cut through all. And we have that right there. So we have that, we have the slice taken out of it. You see that? That's why this is a straight line, but it doesn't look like a straight line. It looks crooked because of that angle. All right, so now we're going to do front face again. I'm going to zoom out, and I'm going to do this side. And let's see, this is 80, 25, and 25 is 50, which means this is 30. So I want to come across the top of this line. So I'm gonna click on this face. I'm gonna do sketch, and then I'm gonna zoom out, zoom in over here, and I'm gonna draw a line from here to the top, and from here, say over there. Okay, so I think this is straight up and down. That 30 degrees is this face, which I already did. I thought it was also a slant on that side because I can't see that side. So, smart dimension, this should be 30 mm. And then what we're going to do is we're going to, I think this looks better here. This goes over this way. This goes over this way. And then we do our feature, extrude, cut through all. Okay, yeah. Alright, so now, doing my arrows, zoom in, this, there we go. This is what we're looking at. Okay, good. Make this full. Okay, so this is it. All right, so this side over here is flat. It's just the way the perspective that it has it going at. So here you go. This is our shape made. Looks just like that. Go in here. This is P314. File, save as, part P314, save, file, make drawing from part, okay, bring this one over, that's fine, pick this guy here, use custom scale. That should work. Yeah, looks good like that. Note. Mr. Noon. Okay. File, save. Save. File, print. OneNote for Windows 10. Okay. Here we go, handouts, okay. This is P314. Part P3-14. All right, that's submitted. And there you go. So we did together 311 and 314. You could do 312 and 313 all by yourself, and then submit those, and then you'll be done with page 210.